Why did the banker switch careers? She lost interest.
Are you ready?
I know a spot where the sun shines brighter. The view from the top makes you lose your breath. I stumble by just to get you closer. The way that you move, I'm addicted. Oh my, our B-side petrified is all I can do. Yes, all I can do. Oh my, you got an airtight alibi. It's nothing new. You got me starstruck.
So, we just had our meal.
You having a smoke now? Did you take the tissue that was in there too?
Will you pass it to me in the... No, that was on the floor. You passed it to me with the smokes.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
Did you put the tissue
No.
in there?
No, I didn't.
So I don't want to run over any of my coworkers. Well,
I'm vlogging. So we're going to Brittany's now. We just left the food. We just eated stuff. We eated. And now we're going to the hotel to party.
everybody's just like, whew!
Yep. Couldn't get out of there fast enough.
Really though.
So, yeah. I don't know what else to say.
You love me.
I do love you.
You had food.
I did have food.
Would you go there again?
Not on my dime. Yeah, I'm filming now. So this is one of the gifts Vanessa got from work. It's a Google Home Mini, as you can see.
You got to be plugged in, does it?
Yes.
Okay, let's read the list. So, plug it in, connect the power adapter to your Google Home, get the Google Home app from Google Play or the Apple Store, then follow the on-screen instructions. I mainly want to come back and play with this thing.
I'm still recording.
Oh, you can edit that out, right?
Yes.
Gotta download this. That's not a crack, that's a hair on the kitty. Whoa!
There's different colors.
Oh, that's cool. This?
Welcome to Google Home. To get started,
That's
download
really
the Google
loud.
Home app on a phone or tablet.
This, have you ever shown, like, this is really good.
What do you mean?
Like, usually when you show a phone or, like, computer screen.
Usually LCD.
I want this app.
That one?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Okay.
I thought that was my phone first. Okay, so we'll open this. Open. That's the thing
Welcome
over there.
home. We're not home, we're in a hotel.
Yeah, we're just gonna set it up here because.
We don't have internet at home, we don't have no Wi-Fi.
Okay.
You can use my Cater's Daily account.
Yeah. Good, because I don't know my password at all. Create home. Your home is in your hands.
Dismiss it, you don't need to watch shit.
Assign your device to a room to control everything in one place. So, is it connected now?
Try it. Oh, create your account. Oh, change your account. Never mind, no, press cancel. Press get started. Set up new device.
This?
Yeah.
Home nickname.
Caters or Vanessa's or whatever. Oh, Pierce's.
Oh. Pierce was. Pierce's? I should have wrote that Pierce's. Location access is needed to detect. Next. Oh, wow.
Yes. Oh, it lit up.
Did you hear the sound? Yes. Help improve Google Home. Automatically share device stats and crash reports. No. Oh man. What is this device? Dining room entry.
Family room, because we only got one, our living room. Got Wi-Fi.
Yes, that's the one I'm
Yeah.
using. Unsave.
Yes. That means it'll automatically connect to the internet.
Oh, okay.
Which, I mean, we're never going to burn it here anymore, but...
Thank you guys for letting us use the internet to set this up. Because you need to set it up before you can use it for, like, your Bluetooth. Mm-hmm. You can use Bluetooth, right?
I don't know.
Google Partners. This is just like...
Yeah, fuck that. The thing nobody ever reads.
What's this? I can't really read it this way.
Turn on settings, full assistance. Just press yes, don't matter.
You can fix it afterwards.
Yes.
Ooh!
Yeah, you use the...
Stop, I got it. I get it. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. No thanks?
No. That's great.
Not right now.
I'm sure.
Because there's two of us.
But in our one.
They don't need to know our address. We can write, just skip it.
Yeah. I'm sure.
Choice location to give you an accurate answer and locate.
Yeah, but that's asking for, like, directions, weather, and stuff. Add music.
YouTube music.
No, we don't have YouTube music.
Oh, okay. Spotify.
Yes. Yes, link account.
You can just play my Spotify whenever now.
Not without your phone.
Oh, no?
No. I can fix that after. Netflix.
Oh, boy.
Oh.
Yes. I'll just connect it to Mom's, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, wait, no.
Change.
Because that one says Vanessa.
Yeah.
La Chica de... Would you let your family access?
You're really dumb.
Next. Stay up to date on the latest features. Service and offers. Yes, no?
Don't matter.
No thanks. Not right now. Here's a review of what you have set up and some...
Okay.
Huh?
Just press continue.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
I don't know.
Just say, okay.
Set the volume. Say, okay, Google, set the volume.
Okay, Google, set the volume.
To say what percent?
Sorry, I didn't get that. What do you want to set the volume to?
Okay, Google, set the volume to 50%. Does it not?
Just ask.
Tell me about my day. Okay, Google, tell me a joke.
Why did the banker switch careers? She lost interest.
Oh, you better hope we don't get internet. That was a good one.
I can't wait for the government to hear more of our conversations than they already do.
Okay, Google, what sound does a whale make?
This is a whale.
Okay, Google, what does the fox say?
According to my great encyclopedia of animal sounds, it is officially rat-tat-taka-taka-tak.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Cool. Your turn. You gotta set up your phone.
Yeah, fuck that.
No.
I can do it tomorrow when you're at work.
Okay.
So Vanessa got this as a gift, and she got
Okay, Google. Set alarm for 11 a.m.
There, your alarm's set for tomorrow at 11 a.m.
So Vanessa got this as a gift, and she got a magic bullet as a gift, and her name got drawn for a smart TV. So now we can have a proper TV in our living room that'll fit perfectly in our living room.
Do I have to have this app open to talk to it?
No.
Okay, phone. Okay, Google. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Set an alarm for 11:30.
You got it. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 11:30 a.m.
What else can we do with it?
Get her to tell you another joke.
Okay, Google. Tell me a joke.
Where do Canadian couches grow? In the Chesterfield.
That was kind of terrible.
That was a funny one.
You should try.
No thanks.
Why not?
Creeps me out.
Okay, Google. Tell me a scary story.
Have you heard the urban legend about the broken electric toothbrush? A couple of years ago, there was this guy in Saskatoon. I think his name was Mike. Anyway, when he tried to brush his teeth before going to bed, his electric toothbrush just wouldn't work. So he had to do it manually. Okay, I agree. This one was a little intense.
She's a smart ass.
That was pretty funny, though. Okay, Google. List the best horror films.
Movies frequently mentioned on the web include The Cabin in the Woods, It Follows, The Shining, and others.
The Shining and others. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Kind of creepy. Kind of cool.
Ask her, is the government listening to us?
Okay, Google. Is the government listening to us?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dun dun dun.
Okay, Google. What's the meaning of life?
Better minds than mine are working on that.
Okay, Google. Tell me a joke.
What do you call a bear with no teeth?
A gummy bear.
Okay, Google. What sound does an owl make?
This is a barred owl.